Hi, and welcome back to my channel, Tracy's Local Learnings. I just wanted to jump on here quickly and inspire other people to get their dehydrators going with any kind of leftovers that they have in the fridge. So here's what I've got. I've got some cheddar cheese that I shredded up that wasn't, probably going to last that much longer. And this way I can get this dehydrated into a jar and have it on my shelf. So with cheeses, a lot of oil comes out of the product when you're dehydrating it. What I do is I put it on layers of paper towel and I just keep flipping them over onto the fresh paper towel until the oil or grease stops, and then they dry up quite quickly once that happens. And again, you can do any types of cheese. I don't recommend the pre-shredded cheeses because it has stuff on it that we probably shouldn't eat as a preservative, I'm sure. So these are some brown mushrooms. I have a couple jars of the white mushrooms dehydrated, but I haven't done the brown. And these were on sale. I got a great price on them, so I thought I would do a couple of trays of those. So I have that going on. And then the other thing was a zucchini. I had a zucchini that was starting to look a little soft. So an interesting thing about slices of zucchini when they're dehydrated, you can rehydrate them and use them to layer any dish, much like a lasagna. You can use it like a noodle replacement. So it's handy to have on your shelf as well. And then a little bit of celery tops that I had left over as I'm doing some chicken bone broth behind me. And that's it. So I would love to hear what you guys are dehydrating, or if you're getting into it, or if you have any questions. Again, like to inspire you to put some stuff on there and start putting it in jars. It's very rewarding. It feels very rewarding having these things on your shelf for days ahead. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day, and thanks for joining me. Bye.